Hey, it's Simon Warner here, and I want you to mark your calendars for the 31st of January. Now, let me ask you a question. How do 100% commissions on a $97 product and a $35,000 prize pool with absolutely no minimum sound? Okay, let's dive in and see what it is. The AI Profit Sync Challenge is a 5-day challenge with Bill McIntosh that walks students through the entire process of creating their first or next digital course using the power of AI. We're going to do it step by step. Every day for 5 days, we're going to do a live 1-hour training. That's going to include group coaching, Q&A calls, downloadable checklists, PDF guides, email support, a private community. Plus, we've got some great bonuses and prizes for all the students who attend all the live sessions. Now, this is a foolproof way for total beginners to launch their own digital course business from scratch and be successful, regardless if they've got any technical skills or previous experience. Okay, so let's get down to the good bit. Here's exactly what's in it for you. First of all, 100% commissions on a $97 product. Number 2, we've got 50% commissions on your upsells at $197 and $297. Number 3, we've got $35,000 in prize money. Number 4, there are no minimums on any of these prizes. How great is that? Also, do you like bonuses? If you've got the best bonus package, there's $1,000 in it for you. We've got speed contests, surprise contests, and much, much more. This is going to be one heck of a way to start 2024 for you. So here's what you need to do. First of all, mark the launch date down in your calendar. It's the 31st of January. 31st of January. Pre-launch begins 4 days earlier on the 27th of January. So here's what you need to do. Work on your best bonus, grab your links, grab your swipes, and I'll see you on the leaderboard.